There is one betting pattern that telegraphs strength no matter what size your opponents use, and most players completely miss it. All right, so let's say we open pocket threes here to $40 in the hijack. The cutoff, the small blind, and the big blind are going to call. So we're going to go four ways. Flop comes 10-8-3. We flop bottom set, and the small blind comes out and leads. He donks here for $40 into multiple players. Now, a lot of players make a mistake in this spot, and it's very understandable. They see a small donk from somebody who called pre-flop, and they think, well, they're not that weak. They just donk small. Usually when players donk, they just don't have strong hands. And here's the nuance that most players miss. Look, if we opened and one player called and that player donked into us as the pre-flop raiser, yeah, a lot of times they're just going to be full of it. Because when players donk in a heads-up single-raise pot for a small size, most of the time they just don't have strong hands. But when a player donks like this into 2, 3, 4 other players, even if they choose a small size, it's just going to indicate strength all of the time. So what do they have? What does this mean? It's usually going to be hands like strong top pair, big draws, even like a vulnerable two-pair hand like top two pair here. They're just going to have a lot of strong hands. So the key exploit from our perspective is when we can beat those hands, let's just start piling in money right now against a strong range that just isn't going to want to fold. Most players miss it. Use this to your advantage.